In this video, we will see how to fix Windows Update error code 0x80240020 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of Windows Update error code while installing Windows latest update, the first workaround is open Run dialog box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key or right click on a Start button and choose Run. And here type services.msc. Click on OK. It will open Services Windows in your system. Here you will have to start or restart various Windows Update related services. Here look for the first services, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS. Simply right click on it and choose Start. If you already found it in start mode, then restart it. Thereafter, apply a double click on it to open its properties. Apply a double click and set a startup type as automatic. Go to a startup type section and choose automatic from the drop down menu, and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. The same process will be applied for other three services, and the second one is cryptographic services. Same process, right click on it and choose start, otherwise restart. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Choose apply and OK to save the changes. And the third one is Windows installer services. Scroll down and look for the option Windows installer services. Right click on it, choose start, otherwise restart, and apply a double click on it to open its properties. However, you can't change its startup type, so close the windows and go to the next services, and the next one is Windows update services. Simply right click on it, choose start or restart, double click on it and set a startup type as automatic. Press apply and OK to save the changes. Close the windows and restart your system and check whether your system Windows update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is right click on a start button and choose settings. You may press Windows key. And here from the left side, go to system settings. Thereafter go to right side and here look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot, choose other troubleshooters and run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on Run button. Troubleshooters is an important inbuilt tool of Windows system that helps many major and minor issues resolving. The third one is go to Windows search and type disk cleanup. Type disk cleanup in Windows search box and open it. Select the drive you want to clean up. Choose C drive or other where your program files installed. A new window will open. Here make the check against various options: downloaded program files, recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnail, some other, and click on OK. A pop-up window will appear. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files. And after that, check whether Windows Update error code in your system resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator, and in command prompt windows, first execute these three DISM tool one by one as shown on screen. Execute all these three: DISM tool, DISM online scanhealth, DISM online checkhealth, and DISM online restorehealth. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. Once successfully execution of DISM tool, execute sfc scan now command, sfc/scan now, and press enter. It will scan for any corrupted files in your system and repair them accordingly. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, open command prompt Windows, same process, and execute some Windows Update components. As shown on the screen, first stop these 4 services, execute all these 4 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. To stop these 4 services, execute in command prompt Windows and thereafter execute these commands. All this command path will also available in my videos description box. You may copy from there. Execute one by one, followed by enter key on each time, and thereafter start all those 4 services you have earlier stopped them. Execute these 4 services, 4 commands in command prompt Windows one by one to start these services. After that, restart your system and check. Your problem will definitely be